Today's episode of Crappy RV is part 3 of my rear end. So this is a 2022. We bought it new. Turns out it had an engineering defect on the back wall. They didn't issue a recall or notify us, so by the time we knew what was going on, it had caused a crap load of problems. We decided the best thing to do would be to send it to the factory. We didn't trust the dealership because it was such a big issue. Plus we had like 60 other things that needed to be fixed. So we moved out. When we got it back 3 weeks later, I thought I was going to walk in and it was just going to be almost brand new looking. They said it went through an audit bay and a cleaning bay and all the repairs were done. Clearly it did not. I walked in and it was a construction nightmare. There was materials everywhere. Screws, staple, shards of wood, sawdust. Our fridge had dents in it. The vinyl floors were ripped. The awnings had holes. The keys were missing. The fridge was unplugged. The plumbing under the sink was disconnected. There was a leak under the slide. I just couldn't believe it. They certainly didn't do the right thing, which is the manufacturer's motto. It felt more like an stop bothering us. We were very disappointed. Plus, we knew we were in for another round of repairs. If this is how they sent it back, what else do you think is wrong that I can't even see? Do better.